Okay, hi. Welcome back to your Chuukese FinIasai video YouTube channel. As you can see in my video, I have no makeup on or no cream. So let's start, learn, and do some makeup tutorial lesson. Let's go. So, if you love learning and doing makeup, you can tag along and keep watching me while I am learning how to apply makeup at the same time. If you are the type of fashion, Chuukese beauty fashion, not just for mumu or clothing dresses, but also for makeup beauty. So this is my face after I put on my cream and clean my face. This is how it looks like. So welcome back again to our YouTube video. I would like to ask you to come along and join me while I am learning how to do my makeup tutorial. So first I do this so I can see where I will draw my eyebrow. So I would draw from right here. First I would draw my eyebrow right there, and then I would just see how I draw it from right there. That's where I'm gonna do. And then same thing with the other one. I will draw. That's kind of my light. Right there. So, looks like it's all from this side, so I will draw it nicely so I know where to aim it to. So, how do you do your eyebrow? This is how I do mine. So, this one is Pro Beater. Pro Beater, this is what you call this Pro Beater. It's kind of purple. You really buy this from Ulta. So, second one is I like to use this after I draw my eyebrow. Like it has three teeth. I would say teeth. It has three, so it can comb at the same time. You can comb it with your eyebrow. See how easy it is when I apply it through my eyebrow now? See? Just so easy to just fix my eyebrow. See? And then see this one. So from here, I will start from the inside out and just all the way to the end. So my brother just inboxed me asking me if I don't make any tempura. So this one, I usually do that to my eyebrows. So I do that. My goodness. Let's try finish it up with this. The last one I use this. So I think this one is too. I have to fix this one because I think that one is too cute. So I have to fix it again, like from there. See how I'm fixing my eyebrow? See how I'm learning and I'm still, I was trying to aim it on here. But thank you again for following us and supporting us, watching our Chuukese FinIasai videos. We ask you again to keep coming back and keep watching our videos, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button
and the notification button so you get updated new videos. Chuukese FinIasai. Kapanini dito for more videos. Si Popkan 227 kire banono. Chuukese Japur ore kapan nono.